So the first defects I found on this car is glue residue. When brand new cars are delivered off transportation, they have a very thin film covering the panels, and when they are removed, there can be some glue residue. So that's a haziness you see. Now as I touch it, it doesn't come off. Okay, so it can't be simply washed away. And this car has already been wiped down with isopropyl alcohol twice. So that's your glue residue, very common on brand new cars. Alright, so this panel has the glue residue. This is after paint correction machine polish. And that is the tape line of 50/50. And that is your glue residue. Glue residue after paint correction. Most new cars now come with this black piano trim between the windows, and this is especially prone to showing paint defects. So on the left hand side we have swirl scratches. On the right hand side we have glue residues. Okay, so they are much easier to see than on the actual paint, just because of how reflective this is. So the black piano trims has on the left swirl scratches and on the right glue residues. This is after paint correction. As I move down, glue residue start to appear and swirl scratches. Back up after paint correction and the 50/50 line, as you can see.